Hey guys, this is Joyce, and I am here with the drawing for the, hold on, I am not organized. I just finished working out for the small stamp giveaway that I was doing. I just marked it as closed. Sorry it is so late for this. A lot of the people that commented said they were just there for support. So these are the names that are left in there. Cute little bowl. Actually, it's a measuring bowl. See? It is a 1-cup measuring bowl. And let me show you what the thing was. I found out I had all my stamps. I went through them, and there was some that I haven't never used, wasn't going to use. So I decided to give them away instead of just donating them. And so I just asked that leave a comment and tell me and see if you have small stamp sets, how do you store them, organize them? Do you use these stamps a lot or very little? And you had to be a subscriber and over 18 years of age. Okay, so I finally got the names written down, and next time I do a giveaway, suffice it to say, I will be more organized, and as people comment or whatever, I will be putting their name in the bowl at that time, because I don't like being last minute, y'all, and I am really sorry. But okay, so these were the stamps, and you saw them, and it's just little sets of stamps that I've gotten from different places. Some I did use, some I didn't use. Like I got these at Tuesday morning and never used them because I had other sets that, so I never opened them. This was something that I think I had 2 of them. So I used, actually made like ATCs from it, but these are like planner stamps. This was a pretty beach set, and I just had to have it. And got it after I spent time at the beach like 3 years in a row, and I did my scrapbooking and never used them. So there's a Christmas set, and it's like more of the planner stamps. And then I decided that I was going to add these because this is a workout set of stamps, which I also have. It's not the same company. This is Paper Studio, but I have another set from probably Happy Planner. So it was like, you're not using them, so I'm going to add those to that. And then I bought these scissors. I loved them because they were shaped like the Eiffel Tower, and I got 2 sets so that I could have one for the giveaway. And I was going to do a different giveaway with them, but I am adding these into this giveaway. So, da 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 da. Okay guys, so that's it. Everybody that was not just supporting me is in there, and we're going to pick one, and they trying to stick together. And this one is VI Crafter, and I think she was the 6th one to. Anyway, she was the 6th one I put. Sorry guys, I can't talk today. I think I'm still out of breath. So, VI Crafter KB, I am going to be sending you a message. Or you can go to the email address that I have in the box below this and send me your mailing information, and as soon as I can get to the post office, which I'm probably going to wait until I go into my office next week and just mail it from there, because I'm really trying to stay out of places that get crowded, and my post office is really small on the inside, and it's just no way that a lot of people can be in there and be 6 feet away from each other. Okay, so I will be just, if you'll just go in the box below, and I have like a mailing address and email address and everything, and send me your mailing address, and I will get your package to you just as soon as possible. One thing, The ring is not part of it because I only have 3 of them. So I'm going to hold on to those. But thank you so much, everybody, for playing along. And I really appreciate your support. So I will be doing some more giveaways because I bought a lot of stuff just to give away. Yeah, and just ain't never got to it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Congratulations to VI Crafter KB. I'm not sure what the KB is because I don't remember that always being there, but that's what was in the comment. And let me tell you what her comment was. Okay, hold on a minute. I'm going to go to comments and I'm going to tell you what she said in her comment. And then I am going to get ready because at 3 o'clock I need to do something, even though I don't want to. That is not what this video is about. Alright, VI Crafter, she said, I store my stamps in clear shoe boxes. When I get more, I'll put them in categories. Right now, I'm not using them as much as I should. Thanks for sharing. Have a blessed Easter. So yeah, honey, I know all about not using stuff as often as you should, but I am really working at getting better. So guys, thanks for watching, and come back because I actually do have some project shares. And if you would be interested in seeing me do Traveler's Notebook scrapbooking, start to finishes for different layouts, let me know. Because I got a lot of scrapbooking to do and I'm just trying to figure out how I'm going to get it done. That would make it interesting to me because right now my mind ain't there. So guys, thanks a lot and do come back. Bye.